Hi, Loco Rpbo for Loco Motion Virtual Train. Wanted to mention my programmer conducted independent investigations for Amtrak and or one of its investigators for offices out of Miami, Florida. I was going to mention I have submitted ideas previously on averting trains from colliding, knowing that a lot of new innovation has been developed. My idea back years past was simply laying an alphanumeric grid for the entire rail system, and each train by speed, distance, and time, similar to the old pocket watch, can pinpoint a train's location, possibly coupled with satellite as backup, and know exactly where the train is by speed, distance, and time, kept in contact with the conductor, who could be contacted by telephone. The computer would calculate all the information and contact the conductor if two trains on the alphanumeric grid are headed in the same direction and or possible collision. Something that might be considered, understanding that new technology has been developed. My ideas were submitted years past, or that of my programmer.